Hi, I'm Jenny from REAX, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to scan equipment and access information on Scannable. If you're completely new to Scannable, we have a video covering all the fundamentals that can be found in a link in the description. To scan a 2D code, open Scannable and use the scan function. Hover your phone camera over the 2D code and all the information about this item will show on your screen. When scanning an NFC, open Scannable and use the NFC function. Hover your phone over the NFC signal and you'll be redirected to the correct piece of equipment. When a piece of equipment has been scanned, you can find information such as the serial number, the date of manufacturing, and all inspection records. There's also a specifications tab where you can find attachments like user manuals or declarations of conformity. If you scroll across to the Groups tab, you can see that this item has been allocated to a location within our training centre. This feature is great, as in some circumstances, if a helmet is found lying around, you can simply whip your phone out, scan the barcode, and see that it belongs in the work at height classroom. Every time an action is taken on any item, it will appear in the History tab. For example, you can see that this was added to the inventory and inspected 5 months ago. For more instructions on how to use Scannable, check out some of the other videos in this series.